Right, in this video, let's continue in Dalton's law of partial pressure. This is not problem number 3. Determine the partial pressure of oxygen collected over water. Okay, it's collected over water. If the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius and the total gas pressure is 98.74 kilopascal. So, first thing we need to do is, the formula is PATM is equals to P gas plus P water vapor. Okay? So, convert P gas is equals to PATM minus P water vapor. Right? At 28 degrees Celsius, here, at 28 degrees Celsius, P gas is equals to how much PATM again, which is 98.74 kilopascal. So 98.74 kilopascal minus the water vapor. So you need to find here in water vapor here. This is a vapor pressure of water. Okay, temperature, pressure. So from temperature here at pressure here and the other temperature here of 200 and the pressure here at the side. Okay, so the question is they have a 28 degrees Celsius, so we need to find where's the 28 degrees Celsius. So it's here, 28. It's here, right? So it's 3.8 kilopascal. So minus 3.8 kilopascal. So P gas of oxygen is equals to 98.74 minus 3.8 is equals to 94.94 kilopascal. Okay, that's all. Please like and subscribe.